Welcome back to Magic of AI, where we explore the latest AI tools and their impact on video production.
3, 2, 1.
Today, we are introducing LumaLabs.ai, a revolutionary AI tool that transforms your videos into fully interactive, highly detailed 3D scenes, like this one. Meet LumaLabs.ai, the ultimate solution for generating immersive 3D experiences from your videos. This AI tool creates interactive 3D objects that users can explore from all angles, offering a truly immersive experience. Whether you are a marketer, event planner, educator, retailer, or in the real estate industry, LumaLabs.ai has endless applications to elevate your content and engage your audience. Some ideas. In retail, you can revolutionize shopping experiences and inventory management optimization. Event planners can level up their proposals with immersive 3D scenes. Marketeers can leverage LumaLabs.ai for efficient content creation and ad generation, while educators can create immersive simulations, virtual labs, and training scenarios for hands-on learning. In the real estate projects, use LumaLabs for enhanced building and urban design. And the best part, LumaLabs.ai is available on the Luma website as a free iPhone app. Download them in various formats and generate different versions if needed. Need inspiration? Just download the free app on your phone and explore tons of samples from other users. To create your own, simply start a new capture and follow the steps. It's that easy. With AI tools like LumaLabs.ai, we will start seeing a revolution in content creation across various industries and creative fields. It's time to unlock the full potential of AI and create magic together. Join us at Evamotion to explore how AI tools transform video production. Watch our other videos for AI ideas and share your favorite AI tools in the comments. Together, let's make something amazing. Stay tuned for more from Evamotion as we continue exploring AI's potential. See you soon!